The rise of human-AI collaboration, how artificial intelligence is redefining work in 2025. In 2025, artificial intelligence is no longer a distant future technology. It is the everyday engine behind our decisions, tools, and creative outputs. While early narratives often pitted AI against human workers, the current reality paints a different picture. AI is not replacing humans, it's empowering them. Across industries, we're witnessing the evolution of a hybrid intelligence model, where the strengths of human intuition and emotional intelligence meet the processing power and scale of AI. This partnership is reshaping how we define productivity, creativity, and value in the digital economy. Corporate teams now rely on AI for cognitive augmentation. Marketing departments use generative models to brainstorm campaign ideas. Data analysts lean on machine learning to identify patterns that would otherwise remain invisible. Even leadership teams consult predictive algorithms to model outcomes of strategic decisions. But this doesn't mean the human touch is obsolete. In fact, it's more critical than ever. AI handles the grunt work, enabling people to focus on empathy-driven problem-solving, ethics, and relationship building. This synergy, rather than replacement, is the hallmark of the 2025 workplace. Education has been transformed into a real-time, personalized learning experience. AI tutors are guiding students through adaptive modules that respond to their pace, strengths, and learning gaps. What once took weeks of grading and feedback now happens in minutes, allowing teachers to spend more time mentoring and less time managing paperwork. Skills like critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration are emphasized, while AI tools take care of memorization and repetition. Learning is no longer confined to classrooms or online videos. It follows the learner everywhere, offering support in context and on demand. Creative industries are also undergoing a renaissance, where AI is not just a tool, but a co-creator. Artists, musicians, and filmmakers are using AI to explore styles and concepts they couldn't reach alone. A graphic designer might collaborate with a neural network to generate hundreds of visual options from a single sketch. Musicians sample AI-generated rhythms. Filmmakers use synthetic voices and deep learning to edit scripts and scenes on the fly. Importantly, these tools are accessible to more creators than ever, democratizing the creative process and giving rise to a global wave of content from places previously shut out by cost and infrastructure. Ethical AI is now a major focus, with transparency and accountability built into development cycles. IS audits, explainability reports, and community oversight boards are becoming industry standards. The push for AI that serves all of humanity is stronger than ever. Developers are working closely with sociologists, psychologists, and community leaders to ensure AI solutions respect culture, equity, and individual autonomy. Regulation isn't seen as an obstacle, but as a design challenge, one that fuels innovation instead of suppressing it. People are no longer just users of AI, they're stakeholders in its growth. In this new world, jobs are being redefined, not removed. Titles like AI Workflow Architect, Synthetic Media Curator, and Human AI Interaction Specialist are now common on LinkedIn. Remote workers are using AI assistants to manage schedules, summarize meetings, and even coach them on presentation skills. Instead of doing more for less, professionals are doing more with more, combining their expertise with machines that amplify their impact. The conversation has shifted from "Will AI take my job?" to "How can AI enhance my work?" As we move deeper into this decade, one thing is clear. Artificial intelligence isn't about machines taking over. It's about the birth of a new kind of intelligence, one that blends computation with compassion, logic with imagination, and data with wisdom. The most successful individuals and organizations in 2025 aren't those who resist this change, but those who embrace it with curiosity, responsibility, and a deep belief in the power of collaboration.